Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Store not opening on the Android. So if you are facing this type of the issue on the Android, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to make sure your internet connection is working well and is stable. Once you will confirm it, open your settings of your phone and go to the apps and the notification from here. Okay, once you will do it, click on the see all and search for the Play Store. So once you will search for it, here you will see storage and the cache option. So simply click on it and clear your cache and try to open the Google Play Store again. So once you will do it, your Play Store will be open, and if it's not, drop a comment. I will make another video with other trick. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.